Hey there, this is a flip through of the dream reading cards. If you are interested in a deeper look, there's a link in the description where I take a look at the box, the book, the cards, and just kind of talk a little bit about that, the deck as a whole, kind of first impressions, and I go over some of the descriptions in the book for the cards and just things I noticed about the deck in general. This is just a flip through of each card. I'm not going to be talking throughout that. This is just to show each of the cards in this beautiful deck. I also just want to mention that this is kind of like a 2-in-1 where we get a set of dream cards. So there's, I believe, 22 of those. And we also get about 27, I think it was, set of oracle cards. So this is all one deck, but it's kind of split into 2 themes. Okay, so again, if you want to check out the deck in more depth, check out the link in the description box. And enjoy the beautiful artwork in this flip through. Okay, so that concludes that. That is the dream reading cards. And feel free to leave your impressions if you like. You can leave a comment. If you'd like to say anything about this deck or anything, feel free to do that. And if you would like to support me, then liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing this video with anybody that you think might enjoy watching this. That would be super, super great support and super appreciated. But in any case, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you watch again.